Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Anton Builds. What's going on? Today I'm pretty excited. Gonna be doing some work on Frank here. Went to Princess Auto earlier. Picked these guys up. Some off-roading lights. They're on sale, so I grabbed them. 20 bucks each. Fucking fantastic. But yeah, it should be pretty nice. Oops. Oh jeez, what am I doing? There's these nice blue ones. And oh yeah, I've been working on this thing. This is gonna be the bar that goes in the back there. See those holes? It's gonna go up there, just like that one in the front. And I'm gonna connect the two with the bar that goes across to the top. It looks pretty sick. Alright. So, we drilled some holes there. I'm gonna probably mount them somewhere about there. I think that looks pretty good. And bam. There they go. I think they look pretty sick. Kind of behind the light bar there, or the stinger bar, but not too bad. These are a pain in the ass to install because there's a little lip there, and I had to put a washer under it because it was bottoming out and it wasn't sitting flush and it was fucking wobbling back and forth. But they're fine now. Now I just gotta wire them up and they should be good. Fucking hot as balls in here. Fucking getting stopped by trains and shit. Fuck. What the fuck? My fucking fuck. Yo, what up? Here at Nissan Mechanic Headquarters. What up, Brandon?
Not too much.
Yeah.
Sweating like a pig, dude.
Sweating.
Wow. I need like wipers.
Wiper?
I'm wet.
I'm wet. Moist.
Very moist.
Moist.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we're going to be working on both the cars today. We got Bill over here. Got all these parts on the ground. And then Frank back there already put the headlights on. This is tomorrow, by the way. The other videos from yesterday. So the lights are on. They're not hooked up yet. And then I got some more lights somewhere over here in the box. I'm going to go in today. Hopefully wire them up, see how they look. Pretty bright, they're not bad. Anyway, back to it. You alright there, Brandon?
Oh, I'm having a wonderful time. Oh my god. I'm not going lower than this.
Eh.
This is fucking diff.
So ram it in there.
Just ram it and maybe it should fit. Oh my god. Oh. And I'm fucking mussy. So it's like cold and wet on my back and shit. Holy fuck, I'm not having a good time.
Oh man.
I quit. Take it to a mechanic.
Alright. So we're getting to these lights. What I like to do is install this first. It's usually what you have to do anyway. Whoops. Don't lose these. Usually what you gotta do is install these first anyway. I didn't have to with the blue ones. Or the big blue ones, but this will have to get bolted here. And then this we'll just go like that. And we're back.
Yeah, we're back.
How's it going, Brandon?
I'm just trying to pull the fucking cock out the transmission here. Holy fuck. I need a hammer.
Hang on.
I need a hammer. Oh my god.
Here's a hammer.
Holding a drive shaft with one hand. Trying not to get oil in the face.
Anyway, look at Frank. Got some pretty lights.
Oh my god.
Now, we got a, where am I here? Power. And we got a ground. Now I found out that if I ran the ground through the back there, there's actually grounds right here. What? Ground's right here for the headlights on both sides. So that works out perfectly. I don't know if you can see that one down there. Alright. So I got the wiring run from the back there. It's going all into here. This mumbo jumbo. It's going to go through my firewall there, where the other ones go through. Looks like it's gonna rain, eh, Brandon?
Yeah, man.
Hey, look at that cloud. Holy fuck.
I could feel it in my head.
I can feel the little bit of raindrops coming down.
I feel it in my head. I'm getting really tight up there.
Tight?
Yeah.
Like a vagina?
Yes.
Like a veg?
Yes, like a vag. Love that kind.
Oh, she's coming down now.
Holy shit!
Look.
Gotta stop getting Mother Nature so damn wet, man.
Stop.
Now quit.
That's weird. Alright guys, got those lights installed. My buddy Brandon here gave me a hand.
Yeah, those wheel bearings out now too.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god. Put bigger wheels on a car, they said. It'd be really fun.
Yeah,
3 wheel bearings in like 2 months.
really.
Wow.
That's crazy. I do drifts too and my wheel bearings don't get that fucked.
I'm doing something wrong, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, maybe too much e-brake.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Too much. Yeah. Here you go.
But yeah, lights are all installed. They look great. Gonna put brighter bulbs in them eventually, but I think they look pretty dope. Makes the front of Frank fill out a little bit more. Next project is the lights up there. I'm gonna put a bar in. It's gonna look pretty sick. But anyway, ooh, it was bright. Thanks for watching again. Subscribe to my channel, Anton Builds. Go check out Brandon's channel, Nissan Mechanic. Give us a thumbs up, a like, all the good stuff. See you next time.